Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for School Morning Assembly. BJP touches 100 mark in Rajya Sabha, a first for a party since 1990. Space debris found in Maharashtra village, likely from China rocket. Terrorists killed in infiltration attempt along line of control in Jammu and Kashmir. Vinay Mohan Kwatra, India's ambassador to Nepal, to be new foreign secretary. Paramilitary personnel killed, another injured in terrorist attack in Srinagar. 46 arrested, 7 detained after clashes in Rajasthan's Karauli. Vaccine not sent to UN body, says Bharat Biotech on WHO action. Actually, Covaxin has received emergency use approvals from over 25 countries. Fire in forest area of Sariska Tiger Reserve under control, authorities. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik's jail custody extended till April 18. PM Modi tweeted that he looked forward to welcoming Israel PM Bennett to India for his first visit to the country. And now some international news. Nearly entire global population breathing polluted air. WHO. Residents should delay return to Ukraine's capital, mayor said. Jupiter has an identical twin 17,000 light years away. Justice Guljar Ahmed was nominated as caretaker PM by Imran Khan. Russian chopper splits into two after being hit by missile from Ukraine. 2 dead, 2 critically injured as landslide hits Australia's Blue Mountains. Now or never to avoid climate catastrophe, warned UN. And now some sports news. Ross Taylor bid farewell to international cricket on Monday and also received a heartfelt tribute from Sachin Tendulkar. Sports Ministry to spend Rs 190 crore on training of athletes for Commonwealth Asian Games. I know where India's economy is, Ramiz Raza says, misquoted on IPL remark. These news headlines are for 5th of April. Thank you to all of you.